What up, y'all? It's Ro back with another video. In the previous episode, we bought a $1,400 single vanity and cut into it and converted it into a double vanity. I know. Let me hear the comments. And installing the modified drawers. So without further ado, let's get into the video. So the tools that you're gonna need are some pliers, a Phillips screwdriver, and also some silicone, because you wanna make sure these things have watertight seal. In this process of putting on the faucets, I believe we got these faucets from Amazon or Wafer. I don't know, and I don't remember exactly where we got this. That's my wife, so I should probably ask her. So yeah, we got this faucet. I believe it was about $150. So we got two, and I think this is the second round of faucets, because the first round of faucets was just like, it just did not work. It really didn't work. But the second round, these Delta faucets were really nice, and they work really well. So it's pretty self-explanatory. Putting the pieces together, you can kind of see that this gold and silver connector piece, it goes underneath your faucet and your handles, and it connects it and makes it secure to the vanity top. So it's a process, guys. Take your time. Like I said, take your time in this process. It's not a rush. You just want to make sure it's all done right and properly, because you don't want leaks. You don't want water just spewing out anywhere. You just want to make sure it's done right. And overall, it turned out really great. Yeah, I would definitely recommend this faucet. All right, so the sinks are officially done. Yes, double vanity sink. So yeah, these boys work and everything. Turn it on. Wow. Stop it up. Woo. Let's turn this one on too. Let's just waste water while we at it, because you know, sometimes you do that when you're living large and in charge. You just start wasting water and filling it up for no apparent reason. So all right, we'll turn this all the way. Just check this out. So yeah, guys, water's working, no leaks, no nothing. All good, all working. Oh good. So yeah, guys, double vanities are officially done. Now it is time to work on these drawers. So these drawers clearly has to be cut because the piping are sticking out of either side. That's the next step, so yeah. That's how I go about doing the measurements. Now pretty much we got to do 3 more and go about cutting. So let's get it. All right, so now we made it to the point of no return. There has been a lot of points of no return in this process. Clearly I can't return this vanity because it's already been cut up, and now I am cutting up the drawers. So yeah, point of no return. So one of the tools that was super crucial and essential in the process was this jigsaw. This Ryobi jigsaw, it never fails. It's been so helpful in this process of modifying these drawers and also modifying this single vanity into a double vanity. So I would definitely recommend, once again, make sure you have a jigsaw when you are doing something like this, modifying a drawer, modifying a vanity, or whatever you needed to do. It's a really good tool. As you see in this process, I'm cutting the drawers that need to be cut. Some drawers need to be cut in half. Some drawers only need a little quarter off of the drawers so they can work properly. And other drawers need to pretty much be taken out completely. And in this process of modifying the drawers and cutting the drawers in half, you have to get to a point of actually putting the drawers back together. So the drawers that I cut in half, now I need to create a back for these drawers. I'm tracing the drawers, the back of the drawers, and I'm using 1/2 inch to 1 inch plywood to create a back for these drawers. And I'm just going to glue them to the back, nail it together, and make it all secure. I'm making sure that they're right size before I start cutting them out. Because once again, guys, we're still at a point of no return. And once again, as well, the jigsaw came in clutch. I can't say it enough. Get a jigsaw, y'all. Stop playing and get a jigsaw. After you cut all your pieces out, now it's time to apply the backs to these drawers. So what I'm using is wood glue. I'm applying wood glue to one side of the drawer first, and then I'm putting the back on, and then I'm just nailing it in. One of the things I wish I would have done is used a pin nailer instead of a super heavy duty nailer, because I mean, these are drawers, guys, so it's not going to be too much that's in there that's going to be like trying to knock it out. And definitely this heavy duty nailer that I have is definitely overkill, super overkill. Now it's on to the part of taking out the hardware for the drawers and replacing them with new hardware. The previous hardware for the drawers was a lot longer, so now we need to modify it and get shorter hardware so we can fit these drawers in properly. We're at the point of applying our top drawer. What we did was to take out the drawer completely and modify the face of the door to fit the design and style of the vanity. It's time to take a look back on where this vanity started and to where it is now. And here is the final reveal. So the total was $2,200 to convert a single vanity into a double vanity. So will I do this again, guys? Will I ever convert a single vanity into a double vanity again? Maybe, but not for this price. Yeah, just way too much money. I will never do this specific thing, this video ever again in my life, probably, unless somebody paid me. So yeah. But thank you guys for watching this video. Make sure you guys like and subscribe, hit that notification bell, and comment in the comment section. And until next time, guys, I will see you in the next video.